Hello there, it's Anna here. Welcome to Little Crochet Farm. Today I will show you how to make this whale no sewing toy. So if you don't like sewing, this is a great pattern for you. And I mean, you need to sew the eyes if you're following this pattern, but if you want to use safety eyes, then there is no sewing at all, okay? The written pattern is in the description below with all informations that you may need. For now, I tell you that I use a 2mm crochet hook and cotton yarn for this pattern. Now let's jump onto the pattern. Alright, so here we'll start with a magic ring. And we are starting crocheting the fins, okay? So for this one, you will make 4 single crochet inside the magic ring. Alright, so we have 4 here. Close tight your magic circle and move on for the next round. Here you will make 1 increase and 1 single crochet. You repeat this 2 times and you will have 6 stitches at the end. Here when I say 1 increase means that you will crochet 2 single crochet inside 1 stitch. As you can see here, I just did 2 single crochet inside 1 stitch. Alright, and then you continue. If you are a beginner or if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below and check also the description just under this video, because there is tutorials there of every stitch and technique I use to do the toys, alright? Okay, so we finish here the second round. Organize your stitches a little bit because it might be curling outside. And for the third round, you will make 6 single crochet. So no increases, no decreases, just the 6 single crochet. I will go slow here at the beginning. All right, almost done. And okay, now for the fourth round, you will make 6 increases. So you should have 12 single crochet here at the end of this round, okay? So you can stop your video here and continue when you finish the fourth round. Alright, so here I have with my 12 stitches. And now you will make 2 rounds only with 12 single crochet. So for round 5 and 6, you should make 12 single crochet. Okay, once again, you can stop the video here and catch me up when you finish your round number 6. Great. Now we will do a round with decreases. So for the 7th round, you will crochet 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. You repeat this 4 times and you should have 8 stitches at the end of this round, okay? Super good. So here we have, you see, this is the shape we are searching for. I will hide this tail inside of my fin. Okay, and now here for the round 8 you will crochet 8 single crochet. Okay, super easy. All right, and now here you see you fold the fin and you will crochet 4 single crochet. You will crochet 2 stitches here together, one from one side and one from the other side. Here you just pay attention. The first one, it's a little bit tricky because it's one stitch beside another. So it might be a little bit hard to grab it, this first two. And then you should go smooth. Then it's much easier, you see. So here's my second, my third. So you understood here, right? You have 8 stitches at the end of the round. You fold the fin together and then you crochet together with one side to another. That will lead you to 4 stitches. This is important because we will be doing this a couple of times here for the next fins. All right? So here you finished off completely. So you just close and you finish and you cut the yarn at the end. I will just hide this tail. Super good. So one of the fins is fine and you should make another one following the same pattern. Alright, for the other fins, you will follow the round 1 to 5th, and on the 6th round, you will make a little bit different. You will start making 6 decreases. This is the front fins, so it's a little bit smaller than the other one. So you follow the pattern from the beginning of this video, from round 1 to 5, and you continue here in round 6, making the decreases. I will go fast forward here. And this is what you should have once you reach all the decreases. Well, once I move my hands, it's out of the frame. Okay, here again, I'm just hiding the tail inside, the beginning of the tail. And you see this is much smaller. So now you have 6 single crochets here, right, after the decreases. So you will crochet together, making 3 single crochet here, connecting one side to another, like you just did it with the bigger fin. And that's it. Small and fast, the second one. So again, you finish this off completely, like the first one. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below. I will be happy to help you finish your little whale well. All right. So again, for this one, you finish off, you cut the yarn, and you should make another one following the same pattern. All right, so now you should have 4 fins done. 2 will become the tail, and these 2 here is the front fins. We will now move on and start the body. So here, once again, you will start with the magic ring. And here, this time, you make 6 single crochet inside the magic ring. Close tight. Very nice, and move on for the second round. Here for the second round, you'll make 6 increases, so you should have 12 stitches at the end of this round. So now what we start here is we will increase 6 stitches in each row. All right, each round, never mind. And we will increase this all the way until 7 repetitions, but here I will show you very slow the beginning, and then we will move a little bit faster. So because it's a lot of repetitions. So just remember, when I say here 1 increase, means that you will crochet 2 single crochet inside 1 stitch. Super good. Now I'll just fast show you here how I start my crochet toys. The beginning of the tail, I make sure to double check that this magic ring will not open. And of course the toy will not unravel, but it's very hard to unravel this anyways. But this is what I do at the beginning of every toy I make. Just a double secure this. That's it, this is enough. Now we move on for the third round. I will add my stitch marker here. In my case, I just add a piece of yarn, a different color yarn. And for the third round, you will crochet 1 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat for 6 times, and you should have a total of 18 stitches at the end of this round. Alright, so 1 single crochet and here, 1 increase. You make this all the way around. Stop the video here and I will catch you up at the end. Okay, so this is how it should be looking like at the end of your third round. Add your stitch marker here at the end of the round, at the last stitch. And for the fourth round, you will make 2 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have 24 stitches at the end of this round. So here, let's go it again. 1, 2 single crochet, and here you'll make 1 increase. Alright, repeat this all the way until the end and I will catch you up here. Stop the video and I will continue making this repetition. Good, so this is the end of the round. Let me add here my stitch marker and move on for the next. So for round number 5, you will crochet 3 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have a total of 30 stitches at the end of the round. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, and here my increase. Once again, you repeat this all the way until the end, and I will catch you up here. Great! Add the stitch marker at your last stitch and continue for round number 6. You will make 4 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have 36 stitches at the end of this round. Four and my increase here. All right. So you repeat this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 increase all the way until the end. Add your stitch marker at your last stitch of the round and start the round number 7. Here you will crochet 5 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have a total of 42 stitches at the end of this round. Okay? So you see here, it's always the same, the repetitions. And I will catch you up at the end of this round. Good. This is how it should be looking like. Now, this is what's going to happen. You will crochet 6 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you have a total of 48 stitches all the way until the end. And then you'll move on for the last round with increases, which is the round number 9. 7 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have a total of 54 stitches at the end. It's a lot of repetition, so I just jump one round here, and I will catch you up once I finish this round number 9. Alright, this is how it should be looking like. Now you will make just single crochet, so from round 10 to 17, you will crochet 54 single crochet. Stop your video here and make all of these rounds with no increases and decreases, just a single crochet, and I will catch you up once I am finished the round number 17.